They came before us, they tried to define life to us. They said, go on with life, you will see where there's life taking on. But however, we know that life is linked directly to our dreams. And our dreams were not mistakenly given to us, or our dreams were given to us to label us, were given to us to add value to ourselves, were given to us to make a mark on the sand of the earth. Is what we people are going to remember us when we're gone. What you're doing today will determine how the people are going to say about you the day you've gone. And all I can say about your dreams is to say, dream, child of Africa, dream, and even if it's impossible for you to dream until your dreams make it impossible for you to sleep. Dream until you dream while your eyes are open. Dream until you see the scars of poverty getting healed. Dream until your mind is programmed for success. Dream until your mind is becoming creative to come with the plans on how to make your dreams come true. Dream until your dreams label your life. Dream until you see the impossibility turn into possible. Dream until you see unemployment turn into employment. Dream until you see that stress turn into desert. Dream until you see disappointment turn into appointment. Dream until you say everything that happened to you, let it go, because life will never wait for you to mourn forever. And you cannot get out of life alive. And your life is given to you to live. And your dreams are there for you to live.